Hello everyone, this is Justin from 2866 Robotics, and today I'm going to tell you about commenting in code. In my last video, you might have seen me do something like this, and you might have been confused because I did not explain what that was. But what I am doing here is called commenting my code. And when you comment out something in your code, in Java, this is done by doing a double forward slash like this. This line of code will not run. So that could be useful if I want to disable a part of the code. So say I'm like testing autonomous, my autonomous, and I'm moving forwards and dropping a cone and then moving backwards. But what if my linear slide is broken, so I just want to test the movement for the back and forth? Then I could just comment out the part of the code that drops out the cone until the linear slide is fixed, and we can start testing that part again. So if I want to comment something out, just do //. Also, most programming systems like this, you can highlight multiple lines, and you could do command / and that comments all of them. And also, if you want to comment anything between two lines, you could do // store, and then store //. Or it was just /store. You could do /store, and it comments out everything in that area. So that could be useful if you want a giant block of text explaining what a complex part of your code does. Not that. So you could be like this, and then you could be like, the code below does this, below does this, and this, and this. And you could explain your comment through multiple lines. And of course, it's heavily recommended to use comments to explain stuff in your code. So usually you'll do this with more complicated stuff, but just for the sake of the example, let's say int x equals like 5, and then we could be like, this int is used to keep track of, let's say, track of a servo amount. And then we could be like int y equals 9. And then we could be like, this int is used to keep track of the robot angle. And so on. So make sure to use comments to explain your code. Otherwise, other people who are you working with might not understand what your code is. And if you take like a break from your code, or you're working on a different file for a while and you come back and you forgot what you wrote and you look at it and you don't understand it, you'll wish that you had comments.